A life surrounded by beauty, where Kings Park meets the city through the leafy green Mount Street. This is where inspiration for this architecture is drawn. The architecture here extends itself vertically through its folding walls, creating an origami effect both inside and outside the home, expanding and contracting, similar to our breath, which connects us to life. The external fabric of the home is an exposed and washed aggregate concrete wall whose individual textures and colours draw on the inspiration from the colours and aggregate that is found in Kings Park, creating a forever warm and earthy texture. The natural texture continues into the home, encompassing the 6-level central light void. As you move throughout the building, you continually have that connection to this earth element, from both within and out. A central light-filled spine runs up the vertical void within the home, in which an open glass lift and stairs are contained. This is the circulation space, providing the continual connection to the external elements as you simply pass through this space. The home is split into zones which include a private office suite, unique bedrooms and guest suites within the first half of the home. As you travel up the building, the master suite takes up a full floor with its own ensuite, walk-in robe and bedroom suite. The living zones are prioritised as they sit in the upper half of the home, where split levels create an ordered link between the living, kitchen and dining. The living room ceiling itself stands 6 metres tall above, framing the underside of the glass-bottom rooftop pool. The dining room is mezzanine above the living and sitting directly under the glass-bottom rooftop pool, creating a play of light and colour through the reflection of the water elements, whilst taking in its visual cues from the Swan River beyond. The angled glass skin that encapsulates the living and dining room creates a waterfall effect when rainfall navigates its way down the glass facade. The glass bottom pool sits at the top of the home with its own glass face wall cantilevered out towards the Swan River beyond. This rooftop space links directly to a rooftop kitchenette and living space, creating a perfect relaxation zone. This is architecture in a location where the freedom to express subtle sculptural architectural form gracefully links itself to this unique and rare setting.